Are you looking for a tool to migrate Gmail emails to Office 365 Mailbox? Here's the solution. Today we'll show you step-by-step process to migrate Gmail emails to Office 365 Mailbox using Gmail Backup Tool. To install the tool, check the link in the video description. This represents the interface of the Recovery Tool's Gmail Backup Wizard. Our tool provides user with personal Gmail as well as Google Workspace account backup. If you have a Google Workspace admin account, you can click on the I am admin option and batch backup mailboxes. Uncheck I am admin option to go back. Uncheck the Using Google OAuth Authentication option to see other sign-in options available. Here, the program lets you sign in with a Gmail app password. Again, select Using Google OAuth Authentication option to begin the backup process. Enter your Gmail address and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Our tool also backups email messages and contacts. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select Saving option allows the user to choose a saving method. They can choose from a variety of saving choices. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Enter your Office 365 email address and select the mailbox to which you want to migrate Gmail emails. Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Select Use Advanced Settings for selective backup option to use filters such as Date Range, By Sender, Subject, Exclude Folders, Match Exact Words, and Exclude Attachments. Our tool also supports incremental backup option so that user can backup data that has been modified or created since the previous backup was conducted. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Skip contacts option to exclude or include contacts within the backup. Go back to backup option. After configuring all the settings, it's time for the migration process. Click on the backup button. And new window will open on screen to log in your Microsoft Office 365 account. After signing in with the Microsoft account, the backup process will start. Shortly, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that the backup process was successful. Click on OK. The trail version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Let's check the migrated emails. Simply go to your Office 365 mailbox. And here you have your migrated mails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.